Hello everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today for dinner, I grilled Mediterranean spiced meatballs. They're delicious. I made a few extra side dishes as well. They're super easy to make, and I'll show you how to make them. Let's start with the white dipping sauce. In a small bowl, put plain Greek yogurt, mayonnaise, dried parsley, lemon juice, minced garlic, salt, and smoked paprika. Give that a power mix, and it looks like that. Set it aside. Now for the chickpea salad. Add chickpeas, cilantro, parsley, green onions, lemon juice, olive oil, cumin, and salt and pepper. Give that a power mix and set that aside for at least an hour. On to the sweet corn. Take 4 ears of corn and pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes. And then just shuck them. There you go. So that comes off really easily, and get the silk off as well. And then with a knife, you just take the kernels off like so. And they go all over the place. It does make a mess, but it's worth it. Continue with the other 3. And then let's move over to the stove where you melt butter in a skillet, add the corn. You're going to add lemon zest. If you have lemon thyme, good for you. Add that. And then a little bit of salt and pepper. And then just heat through, or if you want to char it a little bit, you can, but I just like to heat that through. And then garnish it with a little bit more rosemary. And there you have it. It's delicious. I hope you make this dish. I love corn made this way. Now on to the meatballs. Start with the bread. You want to rip up some stale bread and then soak it in whole milk for at least 15 minutes. I used 2 heels that I had saved up in the freezer just for this occasion. Add to lamb or ground beef, red onion, minced garlic, mint leaves, cilantro, parsley, cumin, ginger, powder or fresh ginger, egg, salt, and black pepper. Now, if you don't like cilantro, just use parsley throughout the recipe. Give it a good mix. And before I forget, let's add that bread. So grab the bread and drain it by squeezing it between your hands like so. And then add that. And give it a good mix in there. And you've already, by this time, have the other side dishes ready to go. And you can have your grill preheating. It's about 98 degrees outside right now. So my husband soon will be sweating by the grill. Roll it into about a 1-inch ball or a 1.5-inch ball if you're grilling. You can fry these on the stove or use a griddle pan called a plancha. And there you go. That I made 15 meatballs. And there's my husband putting them on the grill. Our grill is preheated to 425 degrees, and after about 6 to 8 minutes, he's flipping them, and he has some tongs that he uses too to help him out. And there you go. Dip them in the dipping sauce. That's delicious. They also make great wraps with all the sides thrown in with some pickled onions. Loving it. I hope you give this recipe a try. That's my homemade naan. I also made a salad with the leftovers. That was delicious. This whole meal is so fragrant, easy, and impressive. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. Recipes and more at robinandwillow.com. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.